welcome Chaya and a lot of graduates, people who have done the
Thank you. Thank you, Manoj.
from the emerging
Nice to listen
course.
to your voice.
Welcome. Clareville, Jayashree. So we have a lot of people who have done the leadership course with us. Wang, Mariam, Nagavina, Meeta, welcome. I think Shiva is, Shiva, and then we also have Pradeep here, right? Okay. Go ahead, Nilesh.
Thank you very much. So I would like to quickly introduce myself. My name is Nilesh, and I'm a lean consultant, as well as I'm a faculty member of leadership from the emerging future. And today I'm having my two more faculty member with us, like Manoj Onkar. So time to time, Manoj and Vivek will contribute whenever they want to contribute. Like they trained me in a leadership role. At the same time, today I'm leading, and Manoj and Vivek will support me whenever it's needed. So you will get the benefit of three. So you are lucky you have three opportunities today. So interacting with the three people in a communication. So I'm really excited to create the session, Communication is Oxygen, and thank you very much for introducing yourself. So actually what we do, we are in the transformation work. We transform individuals, professionals, and societies. And right now we are having presence in 9 countries and 30 industries. And collectively, we 5 people have, I'm not sure, but more than 100+ years experience in transforming the people. So you can count on us. We can definitely transform some reality on the planet. And definitely you are the key people who are transforming people on the planet. Thank you very much for being so awesome. And when you are here, that shows you are really committed for doing something great and really interested in being in communication. So thank you very much for choosing this opportunity. It's like a very few people on the planet, actually they are in communication, very few people. And out of that people, you are the rare kind of human being who is interested in communication. तो आप सिर्फ एक रिक्वेस्ट है आप सभी लोगों से कि हम लोग बहुत सीरियस कॉन्वर्सेशन करें या हंसते खेलते लीड किया तो चलेगा. So I will speak in Hindi and English both. So what's your suggestion? Let's create fun, or
we should be fun. We should have a lot of fun and have the
English,
idea of
English.
very good content also.
Okay.
English, please.
So the people from the Philippines, you will learn Hindi in 2 hours when you will learn the communication also. So don't worry about Hindi, English. I will translate everything, but I will speak in Hindi also and English also, right? So let's take the consent from Philippines people also. Are you aligned, Marian? Philippines people, if we speak little bit in Hindi also? Okay, thank you very much. So let's start the session. And best part is like you being here will transform something on the planet. Definitely it will create some miracles in your life today itself or in a next few days. Definitely, I'm sure when you will create some because being in the session. So how many of you agree कि आज के आज result मिला तो it's okay कि if you get the result today itself it's okay for you? Yes, no. Are you interested in projecting result today itself, or do you want result someday, one day? What's your want?
Okay.
Both are.
Today itself, is it okay? Turant?
Yes, नहीं तुरंत तो नहीं आ सकता, but you can.
Yes, Turan.
It will
Today
start
itself.
today and it will be ongoing.
Okay, great. So you will create the results today itself. I'm sure about that. And might be you will not produce, I don't know. But I'm sure your perception will be different. I'm not sure about the result, but your perception will be the different. और आज के आज results भी possible है. So let's look from the domain of communication. So what do you think? Why people have struggle in communication? So what's your opinion? Why people have some struggle in communication with some people?
They don't speak frankly with each other.
Okay, got it, Jaivanji. बहुत बेहतरीन. Yeah, Shiva.
We always
not
keep our
prioritized.
perspective.
Right. Okay. Okay. Got it, Shiva.
Confusion in ideas.
Okay, Ankur. Very good. Confusion in ideas.
We are not able to communicate what we actually want to say, and even if we communicate, the people do not understand the way what we are trying to say. They receive it as something else and they perceive it something else, and they remove different meaning out of it totally. So communication is all about communicating correctly.
Correct. Right. Very good. How many of you have same experience? कभी क्या आप बताते कुछ और हो, लोग सुनते कुछ और हैं. How many of have such kind of experience? Like for example, I was saying to my daughter, "Ki please study well," and she said she was really upset. पापा आपको ना मतलब मेरे में कोई इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है, आपको सिर्फ स्टडीज में इंटरेस्ट है. So sometimes we want to communicate certain things and people understand certain things. Very well said, Deepa. Thank you. Okay. So tell me why we have struggle in communication. Okay.
Fear of being judged.
Yeah, Nupur.
We have fear of being judged.
Fear of being judged. Okay, very good. I'm saying
Many a times we communicate without an intention of a complete response. It's more of monologue and expect that the other person should just nod along.
Got it. Got it, Meenal. Thank you very much for creating the dialogue right now.
I think if we whatever we are trying to say, if it is not delivered, it's not communication, it's a miscommunication.
Got it. Okay, got it. Ankur, thank you. Yes, Pallavi, you were saying something.
Yeah, people are not having respect for each other. And they are not authentic about it. Whatever they communicate.
Okay, got it.
I think that many times we don't understand each other's needs. What we want, they don't understand. What they want, we don't understand. So there is a gap.
Right. There's a gap, right? When we think we are listening, but we listen based on what we want to hear. Okay.
At times we think that the other person might misuse us. He may use us.
Okay, got it. They may misuse you. Okay. Okay.
We assume that we are the same. The other person is also like us while we communicate.
Right. Okay. Got it. Got it. Thank you for being in communication right now, by the way. Right now you are in communication. Like you are communicating certain things. You are creating the dialogues. Right. Very good. So we have three mode of communication. One is like you are speaking with others. Second is others are speaking with you. And third, others are speaking with others. And it also triggers you. Right? Like we have three mode of communication. For example, I'm speaking with my daughter is speaking with me, or my daughter and my wife is speaking about myself. Right? And all the three communications are important in our life. Like for example, Sanjay Rawat ji, अगर आप और आपकी मिसेस और आपकी बेटी एक दूसरे के साथ बात कर रहे हो और अगर आपके बारे में वो गलत बात कर रहे हैं, that also will trigger you, right? So we have all three. So what do you think? आपको सबसे ज़्यादा struggle कौन से मोड में है? Others to others, या others to you, or you to others? To find
others to others.
Okay, others to others. Okay.
I have problem with me to others.
Me to others. Okay. When you are communicating, okay. How many of you are, okay? Share. Me to others. Okay. Okay.
Sometimes I'm struggling because only I am communicating, not somebody is not responding.
So like you are speaking with some walls, Ankur, right? Like people are not responding. It's very
Right.
speaking with walls, right? Okay, got it. Thank you very much. So we have different kind of struggles, and you are committed to transform all the struggles right now in the communication. So we are creating one conversation for you, and let's create like as a possibility, not as a like something is wrong with you. I'm creating with you is like you are really interested in that. So what do you think? What is the impact when you are not able to communicate with others, or others are not able to communicate with you, or others to others communication is not happening the way you want it to be? What is the impact on your daily life?
There is a lot of
Create
incompleteness.
tension.
Okay, Shiva, thank you. And I want a lot of people to speak, not like some people will speak. I want you to be in communication because you are on the communication workshop. Like imagine you are attending the communication workshop and you don't want to communicate. Oh wow, how it will go?
It is, we face a lot of misunderstanding, miscommunication, messages go wrong. And because messages have understood been wrong, the situation and the outcome is totally different what we had expected. So a lot of confusion.
Right. So what is the impact?
When there is struggle, on both the sides, the efficiency goes down drastically.
Got it. That's the impact. Like efficiency goes down. Very well said. Okay. What's the impact?
Eventually, the communication stops completely. There is a feeling that nobody understands me, or I can't understand anybody, so why talk or why communicate?
Right. Very well said. Very well said.
Thank
you. Why to communicate? Okay.
We should be positive while speaking with others.
Right. Right. Okay. Like if you are very positive and if people are not responding, then
we should understand his feelings. What are his feelings?
Got it.
Through communication.
Got it. Okay.
We make assumptions
Not able
on our
to
own
expect.
and don't discuss.
Okay. But what's the impact? So share the impact, Shivani, the real impact when you don't experience the communication.
Desired result is not achieved. You cannot achieve your desired result.
Yeah, but that's not the impact. Impact is something there.
May I share, Ankur?
Yeah.
Anilesh, sorry. I think I struggle with communication from me to me. And I think one of the assumptions why communication becomes difficult is I think I understand what I want. 2, I have an assumption of who I think I'm having a conversation with. I might be having a conversation with my son, but in my head, it is somebody else. Where from one place, it goes to another place. A whole bunch of downloading happens. And 3, I'm not clear about what is my ask, what are my needs, therefore, what is my ask. So because of these 3 levels of unclarity, the communication falters and I don't take up responsibility for where it came from and keep looking at where it went or didn't go and keep looking outside of me for the challenge or issue.
Got it. So share the impact in a way like we can see the impact. Like for example, for me, when I'm not communicating, it's a suffocating for me.
Mm-hmm. Yes, right. Suffocation.
Sometimes I get upset also. That's the impact. Sometimes other people around me get upset when they expect certain kind of communication from me. That's the real impact. The real impact is sometimes I avoid people. the impact is sometimes in sales, I'm not communicating with my customer. They should buy my product or my services. So the impact is less business. So you need to really look at what is the real impact when you are not in communication or people around you are not in communication. What's the real impact?
आई थिंक सबके लिए अलग अलग होगा नीलेश जी।
Yeah,
जैसे कि हाउस वाइफ है मान लीजिए और वो कम्युनिकेट नहीं करती है अपने हस्बैंड के साथ या अपने बच्चों के साथ, तो उसके घर में खुशी वाला माहौल नहीं रहेगा। ऐसे ही जैसे आपने बोला कि सेल्स में अगर कोई बंदा अच्छे से कम्युनिकेट नहीं करता है तो उसकी लेस सेल्स होगी। तो ये हर जगह पर डिपेंड करेगा कि मतलब कहाँ कि इम्पैक्ट ना सब जगह अलग अलग आएगा इन माय व्यूज।
नीलेश, विनय हियर। मुझे लगता है मराठी में ना हम ऐसा कहते हैं वातावरण गड़ूड़ झालं, मतलब ट्रांसपेरेंसी जो है वेदर में, जैसे अभी दिल्ली की वेदर थी शायद की दिनों, तो नो क्लियर वेदर। अब इसमें ना सेंस ऑफ डायरेक्शन बहुत गड़बड़ी हो जाती है। वैसा कुछ माहौल हो जाता है जब कम्युनिकेशन नहीं हो रहा है, तो किसी को पता नहीं चलता कि हम किस दिशा में जा रहे हैं, बराबर जा रहे हैं कि नहीं, दूसरा सामने से कहाँ से आएगा, तो एक्सीडेंट्स होने की संभावना ज्यादा होती है उसमें। सेम वे इन कम्युनिकेशन ऑल्सो टकराव ज्यादा बढ़ते हैं फिर उस समय। तो ट्रैफिक इज हेवायर, सिग्नल्स डोंट वर्क, दैट्स व्हाट इज माय द वे आई सी।
एक्चुअली विनय, कम्युनिकेशन से पीस ऑफ माइंड बढ़ना चाहिए, लोगों के पीसेस ऑफ माइंड हो रहे हैं।
True, very true.
The Nilesh is Pradeep here.
Yeah, Pradeep.
You see, the other reason for any kind of miscommunication or so is that from our childhood, rather from our birth, we are guided and mentored how to read, how to write, and how to speak. We are never taught or trained how to listen. So when we don't listen, we obviously the other person gets disturbed. We want to listen to him or her, and obviously they also have brought up like that only, so they also don't listen. So when you don't listen, there's always a miscommunication. So idea is that if we have a good listening skills, I think that is what the key is actually, to listen patiently and with attention. So that is what I wanted to share. We want to talk, we want to speak, no listening.
Yeah, and actually you said correctly, and I want you to share the impact, not share the solution.
See, the impact is that obviously there's when we talk about communication, actually is the key to building relationships. When the communication is not there, there's no impact is you don't have a relationship.
Got it. That's impact. Clear. Right. Like प्रदीप है ना, हर कोई जानता है कि सुनना चाहिए। दुनिया में आप किसी से भी बात करोगे ना, you should listen first. So he will say, oh, I'm actually listening. Have you heard from anyone? Oh my God, I'm not listening to you from last 30 minutes. Oh my God, I'm not listening to you from last 1 year. ऐसा किसी ने आज तक communicate किया है? Not at all. People will communicate. Actually, I'm listening. Actually, if you notice, लोगों का भ्रम है कि लोग सुनते हैं.
You see, when somebody is angry, then everybody says, please be in peace. I am in peace. So same way you react was I don't listen, or whatever you're shouting, you're not listening.
I don't know about that. But I know only one thing. The worldwide people have one myth that they are listening. And they are clear and they have a lot of proof they are listening. But the thing is, they don't know that's a myth. जिसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं भ्रम। कई लोग बोलते हैं मैं बहुत सुनता हूँ। मैं कभी आपके फैमिली का इंटरव्यू लेकर देखूं मैं कि आप कितना सुनते हो। नहीं, मैं I do lot of things for my family. लेकिन अगर फैमिली का इंटरव्यू लिया तो शिवानी दे विल हैव लॉन्ग लिस्ट. हेलो. और कुछ फैमिली के पास लिस्ट भी नहीं होगा क्योंकि दे आर क्लियर. इनको बताकर क्या फायदा है,
सुनेंगे ही नहीं.
सुनने तो वाले है ही नहीं. और इन्होंने इतने सारे कोर्सेज कर लिए अब तो. आप में से कुछ लोगों का तो कोर्सेज करने का भी मास्टरी हो चुका होगा. You have a lot of degrees and you are intelligent also on the top of it. The biggest problem is you are intelligent.
I know.
I think in English
We do
there is
selective
a
listening
difference
actually.
between
जो
listen
हमें
and hear.
पसंद है ना हम वही सुनना चाहते हैं.
Yeah. अभी भी कुछ लोग हैं ना वही सुन रहे होंगे जो उनको सुनना होगा शायद.
नीलेश,
Yeah.
ये एक मूवी का नाम अभी याद नहीं, उसमें वो ये डायलॉग है बहुत फेमस, मेरे पास गाड़ी है, ये है, वो है, तुम्हारे पास क्या है. मुझे लगता है वो आदमी ढूंढना चाहिए जो ऐसा कहे कि मेरे पास सुनने वाला है. क्योंकि सब लोग इस पार्टी में है कि मैं सुनता हूँ, लेकिन अगर हम ढूंढने जाएं कि आपके पास कोई सुनने वाला है क्या, तो फिर पता चलेगा कि सचमुच में क्या मामला है.
Right. So what is mean by communication? The communication is like a ये word है Latin word है. So Kan, I will come to you. Just hold for 1 minute. Kan. It's a Latin word. The word communication has been derived from the Latin word communis, which means common, means common understanding. Communication को किस तरह define किया गया है? Communication is defined in a various ways, but the process is exchange ideas, views, facts, feelings, everything between people or among the people to create common understanding. जबकि शशि लोग कम्युनिकेट कॉमन अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए नहीं कर रहे हैं आजकल. लोग कम्युनिकेशन इसलिए कर रहे हैं कि आप मुझे अंडरस्टैंड करो. Everyone should on the planet should understand me. Whereas communication, why created Mariam? It's created for the common understanding, not for people should understand you. How many of you notice that people have more worried about how many people will understand me? अभी भी कुछ लोग क्यों बात नहीं कर रहे होंगे? अगर नीलेश को मेरी बात समझ में नहीं आई तो उससे अच्छा मैं सुनता हूँ 4 से 6 तक. I will take some value and I will apply in my life. So if you notice, it's not for common understanding. So what is the misconception about communication? The misconception is people want to communicate. Why? So can I create with you? आपने जो create को मैं summarize करूँ? If you allow me, yes, no.
Yes.
They want to communicate because they want to convince somebody. Because they want to convince somebody. How many of you agree with this statement? You want to convince somebody on the planet? एक्चुअली आपने हाथ रेज नहीं करना चाहिए, पूरा बॉडी भी रेज कर सकते हो आप इसके अंदर. You want to convince somebody on the planet, right? Then second, people should understand me. They should get my pain. They should understand me. They should understand my love. They should understand my care. That's why people want to communicate, Veena.
ऐसा नहीं होता नीलेश जी, सॉरी टू डिस्टर्ब यू, ऐसा नहीं होता, ये वन साइडेड नहीं होता.
नहीं, मैं बोल रहा हूँ sometimes we communicate. I'm not saying कि this is the ultimate statement.
Right.
लेकिन मैं आपसे बात करता हूँ ना, तो आप कस्टमर हैं तो I want to listen you. When मैं जैसे घर में जाता हूँ ना, तो मुझे लगता है मेरा घर वालों ने सुनना चाहिए, क्योंकि मैं 12 घंटा काम कर कर आया हूँ। दे शुड अंडरस्टैंड मी, मैं कितना थक कर, हार कर, दुनिया से जीत कर, पैसे कमा कर आपके लिए आया हूँ। मैं आपकी सेवा के लिए तो सब कुछ कर रहा हूँ। So I'm not saying it's the ultimate statement, but most of the time,
Yes.
we communicate such that people should understand me.
Agreed.
Right? Third is, sometimes we do communication to pointing out others person's blind spot. Do you know blind spot? Blind spot समझते हैं आप? Blind spot मतलब उसे नहीं दिखाई देता है कि उसने क्या करना चाहिए, ताकि हम उसको बता सके what they should do. जैसे बच्चों को बता सके कि उन्होंने पढ़ाई कैसे करनी चाहिए। अगर मैं आपको बात कर रहा हूं तो आप लोगों ने कैसे बिहेव करना चाहिए, like point out their blind spot. How many of you agree with that? So many times we can see other people blind spot very quickly. Hello, right? You can oh, this is his blind spot. Arey, he can do such a wonders, and what he is doing, you can see the blind spot of others very quickly. And sometimes we want to communicate because हम लोग silent नहीं बैठ सकते ना।
बैठ सकते हैं सर।
Sometimes बोल रहा हूँ।
ये लेके टेबल में रखो।
जैसे मैं शादी में गया तो पहचान के नहीं थे, तो बैठे बाजू में तो हाँ कैसे चल रहा है, क्योंकि साइलेंट नहीं बैठ सकते इसलिए। बाकी हम दोनों को एक दूसरे में कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं था, नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन कम्युनिकेशन, बट कैसे तो साइलेंस ब्रेक होना चाहिए ना। सो इफ यू नोटिस, वी आर एक्चुअली, are we communicating people or we are not communicating people? Hello,
Don't communicate much.
We are not at all communicating.
Just talk.
just talk. और कुछ लोग they exchange the information also, and they think exchanging the information equal to communication. Like मुझे अभी भी याद है, my leader said, how many people you invited? I said 700. तो उन्होंने पूछा, you invited 700 people? How come you invited 700 people? मैंने बोला मैंने मैसेज भेज दिया 700. 700 लोगों को मैसेज भेज दिया. For me, sending message equal to communication था पहले. And then he said, how many came? I said, I'm not sure, लेकिन 10-15 लोग तो आ ही गए होंगे. But for me, sending information equal to communication earlier, but it's not. People think sending information equal to communication. किसी ने कहा नीलेश जी आप हिंदी में बात करो, अरे मेरी अंग्रेजी भी हिंदी जैसी है. And we are actually not communicating. So we'd like to introduce one extraordinary technology for you. Are you willing to listen that technology?
Yes.
Yes. Right. So one of the technology created by Otto Scharmer, like he created a theory U. So theory U is a technology. Theory U is a principles. It's a system thinking. So Otto Scharmer is a MIT professor, founder of Presencing Institute, and he is working with various research institute across the organization globally, including Google, Alibaba, McKinsey, World Bank, and many more. आप वर्ल्ड में जितने भी extraordinary organizations आपने सुने होंगे, उसमें के कई सारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ इन्होंने काम किया है और इन्होंने ये थ्योरी यू प्रिंसिपल्स वहां पे इम्प्लीमेंट किए हैं। तो आप लोगों के लिए भी ये थ्योरी यू के प्रिंसिपल्स हम लोग क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं, राइट? सो रेडी? यस, नो?
Yes.
Right.
Yes,
So
yes.
So, and we will look this communication domain from theory U. In India, we have 3 faculties for the theory U, and they are leading the session of theory U every time, like Ferdi D'Souza. And the concept is emerging future is the organization. The commitment is to create new civilization on the planet where people are operating from ego consciousness, a shift from the default ego consciousness. And Shivani, ego ka, that doesn't mean we relate to ego like a ego. We relate ego like a boundaries, what we can do and what we are doing. Like if we are working in a certain boundaries. And our intention is to create an abundance of leaders who are operating from the awareness-based collective action. Like they should not operate from a single person view, ego view. They will do as a collective action. So on that principle, I am going to create one principle for you from theory, Otto Scharmer theory, in the domain of communication. So are you willing to listen that principle for yourself? Would like to create? Right. So my request, one more request is, अगर आप वीडियो ऑन कर पाए तो बहुत बेहतर होगा, so that you are in communication with us. जब आप वीडियो ऑन नहीं करते हो तो कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है काफी दीवारों से बात करनी पड़ती है, ब्लैक कलर की दिखाई देती है, बड़ी अच्छी होती है, लेकिन जिंदा इंसानों के साथ बात करने का मजा ही कुछ अलग है। So if possible, अगर आप वीडियो ऑन कर पाए तो then we can create the dialogue versus just I'm creating some mono dialogues for you. तो मेरा इंटेंशन ये कॉल का ये नहीं है कि आप लोगों के साथ मैं कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर करूं, मेरा इंटेंशन है कि मैं आपके साथ कम्युनिकेट करूं. And who are the leaders, the people who are leading right now are Ferdi. Ferdi is having, I think, I'm not sure, more than 30 years of experience. Then Vivek, he's also having more than 30 years experience. And then Manoj, Omkar. They are the experienced leader. ये लोग लीड करते हैं ये वर्कशॉप. और आज का वर्कशॉप मैं आपके लिए जो प्रिंसिपल क्रिएट करूंगा कम्युनिकेशन का, मैं उनके बिहाफ आपके साथ क्रिएट कर रहा हूँ. राइट? सो लेट्स क्रिएट फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल. रेडी फॉर द फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल? Yes, no? So you will transform this, your communication instantly right now. The first principle in theory U is downloading. First principle is downloading. Like a Veena, most of the time, when actually we are listening, we are not listening. We are downloading information about others. I will repeat, most of the time when we are listening, actually we are not listening, we are downloading information about the others, things, and आप जो जानते हो उसके बारे में आपका downloading start होता है. For example, Chaya, if I know you from last 20 years, तो आपको क्या लगता है, आप जैसे ही तो मैं पहले सुनना स्टार्ट करूंगा या पहले 20 साल से मैं आपको जानता हूँ वो डाउनलोडिंग स्टार्ट होगा?
मुझे लगता है जो 20 साल से आप जानते हो वो पहले शुरू हो जाएगा.
राइट.
और काफी बातें मिस हो जाएगी उसमें.
राइट. तो आप जो भी बात कर रहे हो, whatever you are speaking, am I listening to your conversation? Are you listening to my conversation? और both दोनों भी एक दूसरे के डाउनलोडिंग से बात कर रहे हैं.
ज्यादातर डाउनलोडिंग से ही एक दूसरे से बात करते हैं.
एग्जैक्टली. तो अभी आपको सिर्फ नाम याद दिला दिया कि आपका डाउनलोडिंग स्टार्ट हो जाता है. किसी का फोन बजा, Varun, oh, downloading started. About what? Meena, oh, downloading started. किसी ने किसी के बारे में बात की, डाउनलोडिंग स्टार्टेड. इवन मैं अभी आपसे बात कर रहा हूं, व्हेन आई एम स्पीकिंग विथ यू राइट नाउ, जस्ट नोटिस आपका भी डाउनलोडिंग मेरे बारे में लास्ट 30 मिनट्स में कुछ हो गया होगा. इट मे बी पॉजिटिव, इट मे बी नेगेटिव, बट you have certain downloading, and you have downloading about the everybody on the planet. Hello. So हम लोग कम्युनिकेशन करते हैं सामने वाले के साथ, या हम कम्युनिकेशन करते हैं हमारे डाउनलोडिंग के साथ?
Downloading.
We are doing it with downloading. So what you are basically saying is the first impression that we have of a person, the impression we keep of the person in our mind.
Right. And not only impression, you have a lot of facts about that person. You have a lot of information about that person. You have a lot of proof about that person. And you have real experiences about that person. And not about only about the person, it's about the society, it's about the world, it's about the religion, it's about the nation. Like if you see everything. And लोग अलग अलग तरीके से लेते हैं. मैं एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ. Let's take one simple example लेते हैं. आप कोई लोगों ने एक किसी का मोबाइल में बहुत सारा डाउनलोडेड है, बहुत सारे पिक्चर्स वीडियो सब डाउनलोडेड है, और डाउनलोडिंग बाद में वो कुछ नया इंफॉर्मेशन आया तो डाउनलोड होगा क्या? नहीं होगा, राइट? तो व्हाट ही विल से, यार मेरा फोन ही खराब है, प्रॉब्लम है, कुछ हो नहीं सकता, आई एम फेड अप विद माय लाइफ एंड एवरीथिंग. ही विल कंप्लेन अबाउट एवरीथिंग, राइट? ये तो बराबर है, राइट? करेक्ट, क्योंकि कुछ आ ही नहीं सकता नया इंफॉर्मेशन. एंड सम पॉजिटिव पीपल मिलन, व्हाट दे विल से, मेरे पास इतना इंफॉर्मेशन है कि मुझे नया इंफॉर्मेशन की जरूरत ही नहीं है. बट अल्टीमेटली इट्स अ डाउनलोडिंग. So what is mean by downloading? Let's discover the downloading. Downloading is a listening through your opinions and judgments. So you have lot of opinion about the people. Everything. आपका कार के बारे में ओपिनियन है, मैंने अभी कैसे लीड करना चाहिए उसके बारे में भी ओपिनियन होगा, आपने कैसे बैठना चाहिए उसके बारे में भी ओपिनियन होगा, अरे ये कैमरेस क्यों ऑन करने लगा थे उसके बारे में भी एक ओपिनियन होगा, बच्चों ने कैसा रहना चाहिए उसके बारे में एक ओपिनियन होगा, पॉलिटिशियन ने कैसे बिहेव करना चाहिए उसके एक ओपिनियन होगा. व्हाट डू यू थिंक, हाउ मेनी ओपिनियंस यू हैव इन योर लाइफ? व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
Innumerable.
Can't even count them.
Infinite.
Counting stars.
Right?
Millions of stars.
ऐसा मैंने सुना है, आई एम नॉट श्योर, कि जितना एक पेन ड्राइव होता है ना 64 GB का, उसके 16,000 टाइम्स इंफॉर्मेशन स्टोर हो सकता है एक ह्यूमन ब्रेन में. दैट में डाउनलोडिंग इज डेफिनेटली इज गोइंग ऑन. जोक भी आया था उसके ऊपर कि इतना सारा इंफॉर्मेशन को एक ही इंसान करप्ट कर देता है, शादी. So अगर आप, if you notice, we have a lot of opinion about the people, situation, everything. Yes, no? Is it an opinion or it is a fact for you right now?
Actually, fact only rather than opinion.
Yeah, it's not opinion now. It's a fact. It's like a real fact, not a opinion. And we are clear about our facts. We have a lot of voice of judgment. We have a lot of voice of cynicism also. कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Cynicism समझते हैं आप लोग? निराशा, नैराश्य. कुछ नहीं हो सकता। ये बहुत नेगेटिव लोग हैं, इनके साथ बात नहीं करनी चाहिए। प्रदीप, मेरा पहले था कि जितने लोग कोर्सेज करते हैं ना, दे हैव एबिलिटी टू लिसन। जो लोग कोर्सेज नहीं करते, दे डोंट हैव एबिलिटी टू लिसन। ये मैंने नया डाउनलोडिंग बना लिया था मैंने। Then I got that कि oh by God, I am creating another opinion about the people. पहले अलग ओपिनियन थे, अभी नए ओपिनियंस बन गए। How many of you are able to notice your opinion right now? You have a lot of opinion and judgment about the people. So I'm requesting you quickly share your opinion and judgment about the people on chat, and unmute yourself and quickly share, and share like a real opinion, and don't share the.
Is Chaya here? When the topic you started with the downloading, तो ये तो हमने LFEF में पढ़ा, अभी same repeat होगा क्या? This was the downloading immediately started.
एक
लोग कभी नहीं सुधरेंगे,
लोग कभी नहीं सुधरेंगे। और छाया, मेरा तो ऐसा था ना, जब फर्स्ट टाइम किया ना लीडरशिप फ्रॉम द इमर्जिंग फ्यूचर, आई नो दिस फर्डी, आई नो दिस फर्डी, आई नो दिस फर्डी। अरे ये तो मैं मतलब 15 साल पहले सीख कर आया हूँ। In the sixth session, I came to know I was not listening till the sixth session. फिर second time किया ना, तो वापस आया downloading. I know now LFE also. Now I don't need anything. अभी fourth time किया तब वापस आया। जरूरी है क्या? 2 days. Not required. अभी किसने करना चाहिए? जो सुनते नहीं। अगेन डाउनलोडिंग।
अभी बोलते बोलते इसी पॉइंट पे आएगा।
हाँ। So share your opinion and judgment about the people quickly on chat box, or unmute yourself and share the real one, not share the theory about it.
Nilesh ji,
yes.
But downloading is natural, na?
Yes, true.
नीलेश जी, I have an opinion maybe about my father कि वो किसी की नहीं सुनते हैं, बस वो जो अपनी सोचते हैं वही उनको ठीक लगता है।
Perfect example of downloading. Right, very good. और बताइए फटाफट। और कुछ लोगों का भी डाउनलोडिंग चालू होगा कि मैंने शेयर करना जरूरी है क्या? That's the downloading you have.
Then there's another downloading about my clients कि जब तक ये नुक्स नहीं निकालेंगे, नुक्ताचीनी नहीं करेंगे, they're not going to pay me. कि ये ठीक नहीं है, ये ऐसा, ये भी एक डाउनलोडिंग है जबरदस्त।
Right, very good. Okay, classic.
But downloading is very useful many times in profession and relationships. It gives you guidance of how to behave.
Classic. That's a very good downloading. That's a positive downloading.
Yes, suppose if you have experienced something, this person, if he is behaving like that, means future mein he is going to do like that. So it's because of the past experience we have, we can be safeguarded from the future mishaps.
Right.
So that downloading is good or not good? I mean, how is it?
I don't know, but definitely you are not listening to that person. You are listening to your downloading.
Yeah, the past experiences.
You are listening to your past experience. You are not listening to that person.
Correct.
But then, one question over here. Researchers are done according to the past experiences, and then you put a research paper. Ki this is the conclusion. So can't we have this downloading now also?
You can. Downloading is not bad. I think you have certain downloading about the downloading also. The downloading is bad.
No, it is good also, but
yeah, but it's a downloading.
Okay.
You have a research paper. It's a downloading. एक research था 10 साल पहले कि ये करना चाहिए, शुद्ध पानी पीना चाहिए। 10 साल बाद रिसर्च आया कि शुद्ध पानी पीने से कैंसर होता है। अगले 10 साल बाद और कुछ रिसर्च आएगा। कौन सा रिसर्च सही है, ये अभी लोग कंफ्यूज है।
Got it. So we should means present में जो है उसी को face करके just see this what is happening at the present and go accordingly.
Yeah, but if you notice, you said very well, by the way, Deepa. You pointed out extraordinary things like our downloading coming from our past. And we have habit of downloading everything.
Is it a habit or that's how we are taught that we should download?
Swati?
Are we not made to download things as we grow? Because whenever, as we are growing, or now we are treating our children like that, you know, something is happening, we say, don't you know, last time we did this, were you not allowed not to do? So we are training them to start downloading.
Exactly. Not only that, we are passing our downloading to them. मेरे कोच थे बालाजी, उन्होंने तो कहा, नीलेश अगर आपने आपके बच्चों को ट्रेन कर दिया तो वो आपके जैसे बन जाएंगे, ना बताओ कैसे बनाना है. I said no.
What's wrong in it?
मैं बोला not wrong, but I want to create some extraordinary future for them. I said मेरे जैसे नहीं, बेहतर भी तो बन सकते हैं. So we are not only downloading, हम तो हमारा downloading को pass on भी कर रहे हैं. Nothing wrong about the downloading. The game is being aware of your downloading when you're. It's not the problem. Get it? The game is being aware of your downloading. Right now you're downloading. Once you are aware, then you can do certain thing about it.
Yeah, in my opinion, that's how the mind works. Memory is a key part of any work that the human body does, including listening. What is important is the filter through which you listen. And yes, mostly it is the past. It could be the future also. But as long as you said, as long as we are aware and continuously clearing that filter, then you are actually listening to what is being said rather than what you know.
Yeah, and whatever I'm speaking or whatever you are speaking, we are also speaking and listening from our past information right now. I have some past information about listening. I have past information about Otto Scharmer course. I have past information about everything.
आई थिंक सबसे ज्यादा फर्स्ट डाउनलोडिंग तो यही होता है कि वी आर राइट, मतलब हम खुद तो हमेशा ऑलवेज राइट है, अदर पर्सन यू नो फॉल्ट लाइज विद द अदर्स ऑलवेज. हम गलत हो ही नहीं सकते.
शिवानी, आप 2-4 कोर्सेज कर लो ना, बाद में डाउनलोडिंग रिवर्स हो जाता है कि मैं अकेला ही गलत था, बाकी दुनिया अच्छी थी, और अभी मैं मेरी गलती सुधारने के लिए और कोर्सेज कर रहा हूँ.
That is true. Yeah.
The downloading shifted from they are wrong to I am wrong, but ultimately somebody is wrong. Someone is wrong. Clear. Hello.
I would understand downloading now also as a part of evolution. That's how we have survived, because we downloaded.
Yes. And that's why we are only surviving.
That is also there.
Yeah, we are survival machine. We are surviving.
Because of past downloading, also we are improving every day, and we are increasing our life also.
Right, and that's where, like Raviji, as you said right now, is it a downloading or is it a creation? Somebody said कि past गलतियों से सीखो और improvement करो. Is it a downloading or it's an emerging future?
Both is we are learning also and we are creating also.
I got it. But what do you think? Most of the time, is it a downloading or it's a emerging?
We can see it as emerging because something new is being created.
No, when you are looking at improvement, so आपके पास तो downloading तो है ही ना.
So what we create is again down. I mean, how can it be emerging then?
Actually, whatever we are creating from our downloading. We downloaded a lot of information. From that information, we decided what to create. And nothing
Isn't
wrong
that
with it.
evolution?
It's an evolution by the way. That's why the Google and Amazon, every company is following auto theory because it's an evolution. First time people are discovering they are not listening. They are listening to their own downloading. What is mean by downloading? Downloading is your voice of judgment. Judgment about people, opinion about people, society, nation. मैं सिर्फ अभी बताता हूँ. Just let's see. Let's play a game. Ready for the one exercise? Yes, no? Now I will say one word. Pakistan. How many of you see that downloading started with a rapid speed?
Too much from my side. जैसे पाकिस्तान बोलते बहुत याद आता और क्रिकेट भी याद आ जाता.
Right. I said, I will say, spouse.
वो मुश्किल है.
Started, right?
Jokes.
Kids.
Spouse is equal to jokes these days.
Spouse equal to jokes. It started. So you have voice of judgment about everybody. I said कि आप आपका voice of judgment chat box पे share करो. Right? Do you think people are listening? They were busy in downloading. Why they will share? Then you have voice of cynicism also. And you have one more friend, your most favorite friend. Actually, it's not a friend, it's your enemy, but you have that voice of a fear. But it's impacting your communication. It's impacting your communication instantly. It is not giving you oxygen. It is actually, it's a suffocating. आपको क्या लगता है? If you have some downloading about people, you are really welcoming people at that time. Hello. You are like, wow, मतलब किसी को मिला तो it's not like that. Sometimes अच्छा ये भी आ गया, अच्छा ये भी. So now I'll wait for a few minutes. So please share your voice of judgment with the people, situation, or anything you would like to share. So quickly share your voice of judgment or voice of cynicism or voice of fear.
So if we have positive people opinion about some people, and when he comes, we will appreciate and warmly welcome him. And if we have bad experiences, we will try to avoid him.
Got it, Ravi. So I want you to share for specific, like don't share generalized statement नहीं. Like for example, जब सचिन आता है घर पे तो मैं उनको वेलकम नहीं करता हूँ, लेकिन जब महावीर आता है तो मेरा वेलकम बहुत वार्म होता है, क्योंकि मेरा महावीर के बारे में एक डाउनलोडिंग है कि ये बहुत यूजफुल और पॉजिटिव पर्सन है, और सचिन के बारे में मेरा एक ओपिनियन है, ये आया है तो कुछ गॉसिप करने आया है. But both way, I'm having some downloading about both of them. So would you like to share some downloading about the people on chat box or, and yeah, Meeta.
Yeah, so I have a download that whenever somebody senior tells me any feedback, especially my boss, then I always feel that they don't like me. They are giving feedback means they don't like me. Whatever I do, they will not like me. So I know it has some relationship with my mother. My mother used to all the time give me feedbacks, and I always interpreted that she doesn't love me. So the same interpretation is going on with now all other people in the world who are senior to me, and they are giving me feedback. So that's a constant download which is happening. One of the example. Thank you.
Before I was leading the Meeta, मेरे को बहुत बड़ा डाउनलोड था कि फर्डी है सेशन में, मनोज है, ये सब मेरे कोचेस है, तो they will find so many mistakes about me, so I should not lead. They are senior to me. So Ferdy came to me and he said, whatever way you will lead, that will be the best. And suddenly I was able to suspend my downloading and I was able to lead this session. But before this session, I was having a real downloading. My coaches is going to listen me. And definitely something, मैं कुछ ना कुछ तो गलतियां कर ही दूंगा. ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता है. I got it. It's a downloading. Nothing to do with communication with you right now.
Correct.
Nilesh, I want to ask something.
Yeah, please.
I think human mind is always biased. हम कितना भी बोलो कि we will treat every person equally, but still with some people our energies match, our frequencies match, our thoughts match, and it is very easy to communicate. So we have liking for certain people, and as you said, you welcome some friends very warmly, and you don't welcome other friends that warmly. So this comes naturally. We don't even realize sometimes. Exactly. So what's wrong in it?
Nothing. It's perfect. But it is having limitation because you will not able to listen them. Because you are listening to your downloading.
Downloading, yes. Okay, got it. Thank you.
You are listening to your voice of judgment. Whatever Mahavir is speaking, I am not listening to him. I am speaking, Mahavir is a great guy. Mahavir is amazing. Mahavir जैसा अच्छा हो ही नहीं सकता. Oh wow, he is so great. वो जो बोलना चाहते हैं मिस हो जाता है. फिर वो सेकंड टाइम बोलता है, नीलेश जी आपको 6 महीने पहले भी बताया था मैंने ये. ओ सॉरी मैं भूल गया. ओ मैं भूलने गया. जब वो बता रहा था, I was listening to my downloading.
But sometimes, sir, listening to others might lead to wrong path.
Very good.
If you are not downloading your experience, your knowledge, and listening blindly to others, and it might bring you to wrong path.
Maybe.
That time your downloading saves you.
Yeah, maybe.
Because people always have this knowledge about the judgment. Definitely, society will judge you. Family will judge you, your friends will judge you. Every time you try to do something new, they will come and judge you. Okay, this you are doing wrong. They will try to sometimes dismotivate you. Okay, whatever you are trying to do, it is not gonna give you success. They might not know what I am going to do, but still, if that time I will listen them. If I will not download my sense, my knowledge, my experience, then I may fall. I may listen to others and will go wrong.
Whatever you said, is it you are downloading about the things, or is it
I am trying to communicate that downloading and listening, which you are telling them most of the time we don't listen, we just download. So I think most of the time we download, it saves us.
Got it. But if you notice, Abhilaji, I ask you a question, is it a downloading or not?
I don't think it's not downloading. It's a downloading only. What we have learned.
Thank you. That's it. I'm not saying ki it's a you should stop downloading. I'm saying it's a downloading. That's it.
Can you give me an example where downloading is not happening, since you're talking about downloading?
I don't have any example. I have,
Because each and every instance, or right now what we all are talking about, will be taken as downloading you.
और तो बेटर रहेगा फटाफट पहुंच जाते क्या वेट करेगा 10
yeah, let's take on the exercise. Ready for the exercise so that you can discover fully. Ready? Okay. Now, for a minute, hold on. Take a deep breath. And now, relax. And notice you're downloading. Take a paper, pen. Do you have pen and paper? Please take it on. By the way, मैंने पेन पेपर लेने को कहा है, उस पेन पेपर ही लेना है, डाउनलोडिंग नहीं करना है कि आपके दिमाग में याद रहेगा. Okay. Now I will tell you certain thing. Just notice. Write down. Father. Write down your downloading about them. Downloading about him. Mother. Spouse. Brother. By the way, आपको आर्टिकल नहीं लिखना है, 1 लाइन में लिखना है. Brother, sister. And write down actual name. Huh? Don't write down brother, sister. Like my sister name is Kirti, my sister name is Pradnya. Write down actual name. And write down your voice of judgment about them, your voice of cynicism about them, voice of fear about them. Like write down actual downloading. Your children. Like my son name is Varun, my daughter name is Bhumi. Like a real name and real downloading. Friends. At least write down 3-4 friends' names so that you can really discover the downloading about them. Neighbor. So we have neighborhood of Mr. Shinde, Mr. Shah, Mr. Bora, like downloading about them. Seniors. Boss. Team members. Write down actual name of team members. My team members is Gajanan, Bharat. Your job or your business. Peers. Peers means same level of people in the same organization. Economy. Write down your downloading about the economy. Your company. आपका सबसे फेवरेट डाउनलोडिंग अभी आ रहा है, सबसे फेवरेट, आपके दिल के अजीज, प्यारा, जिसके बिना आप रह नहीं सकते. अबाउट योरसेल्फ. मैं ऐसा क्यों हूं, मैं वैसा क्यों हूं. मनी. Your health. Future. Meaning like we have downloading about the future also, no? Okay, my future is extraordinary, my future is very dark. That is also downloading. Share market. Government. Marriage. Or living in relationship. What did you notice?
Lots of downloading for everything. Long list.
Right.
Ready-made definitions.
Downloading about oneself was difficult.
So easy to get that point.
Right.
Ready-made.
Yeah.
But got little bit clarity about everything, about we are thinking about.
And what we think we are clear about, that's a downloading.
Yeah.
Because we are clear about our downloading. The game is you being aware about your downloading.
Yeah, about
It's
the
not
self, the
about-
way the way that
Yep.
we are thinking about, that the way our thought forms are working, if we are getting a little clear about it.
Yeah. So then are you speaking and listening to the people or to the world, or you are speaking and listening to the downloading?
You're speaking to yourself actually.
You are speaking to yourself. By the way, one bad news. Can I give you the bad news?
Yes.
If you speak a lot with yourself, do you know what happens? Any कोई डॉक्टर है यहाँ पे?
Yeah, insane, insane.
What happens
पागल.
अगर आप
Maniac.
मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, ये डॉक्टर बोलते हैं.
Psychologically disturbed person.
Yeah.
इसका मतलब पागल.
Right, nothing wrong in that. But Just being aware of your downloading. When you're downloading, you cannot escape from downloading, but you can suspend your downloading.
Yeah.
You can pause your downloading. So downloading से आपका छुटकारा नहीं है, लेकिन you can pause for a moment. Oh, downloading started. Let me pause. But when download started, it's impacting your relationship. So if आपने जितनी भी list बनाई है, how it's impacting? How it's impacting your relationship? How it's impacting your career? How it's impacting your health? What do you think? What's the impact on your relationship, career, and health?
We don't take the next step.
I'm sitting in a silo.
Yeah, you are sitting in the silo. You don't take this next step. How many of you experience being alone so many times? Being alone. कोई नहीं मेरे साथ. मैं और मेरी तन्हाई. Mostly. इसीलिए कहते हैं जब हम इस दुनिया में आए थे, सारी दुनिया को जीतने के लिए आए थे. धीरे धीरे जैसे जैसे डाउनलोडिंग हमारे पास आते गया, हम दुनिया से कंट्री पे आ गए, कंट्री पे से स्टेट पे आ गए, स्टेट पे से फैमिली पे आ गए, फैमिली पे से अकेले पे आ गए. आई लव माई सेल्फ. दैट्स इट. फुल स्टॉप. Quickly share, what's the impact of this downloading in your career, in your money area, in your health? What's the impact of this downloading?
Less progress.
Right.
No possibility.
No possibility. What's the impact?
Excitement, liveliness.
Yeah.
Is lost.
Right.
Liveliness is lost.
Yeah. Aliveness तो है नहीं. अब देख लो किसी
Circle
को.
is very small now.
Circle is very small.
हम लोग जाम भी जैसे बन गए.
It is more of a repetition, so new, nothing new. It's a boredom.
बोर्डम. और मालूम है आजकल मीता बोर्डम में नया आया है. अभी लोग बहुत पॉजिटिव टॉक खुद के साथ ही करते हैं. खुद ही बोर होते हैं, फिर खुद को ही पॉजिटिव करते हैं, फिर खुद ही बोर होते हैं, फिर खुद को ही पॉजिटिव करते हैं. Because they are not in communication with the people. They are in communication with their own downloading.
Self love एक ऐसा कंसेप्ट आजकल चल रहा है. Self love.
और वो गलत नहीं है. It's very good.
गलत नहीं है.
But limitation है. So
self का definition भी है ना, because personality is a self. What is self? वो भी है ना. Whether we are.
So the best part is you have downloading, and at the same time the best part is, Suresha, you have one more friend also. That is called voice of curiosity. So Swati, you have one friend, voice of curiosity. So how you will practice? How will you practice curiosity with your family members, professionals, and in society? How will you practice? What can be the practice?
Basically, that probably what again downloading is that try to listen and maybe interact. Then that curiosity will be satisfied if that's how you.
Great. Okay. Very good.
What I feel is people are not curious these days. Actually, they think that we know everything. They don't. They are not curious at all.
Yeah, people are not curious. They are curious about matching their downloading with the collecting more proof about downloading. My downloading is accurate.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah. Deep listening, as you said. Like, what's the practice for deep listening? How you will listen? What can be the practice for deep listening?
Pause your downloading for some time while you are listening, and then give him a
Very well said, Raviji. Pause the downloading. Okay. What can be the practice after pausing your downloading?
Be curious.
What the other person is saying.
Right. Okay. Ask questions. Okay. Okay. और क्या हो सकता है?
Show interest in the other person. Ask about family, about their jobs, how they are doing. Are family members okay?
Right. Okay. Taking interest in others, knowing about others. That's like a, okay. Okay. That can be very good practice. Okay. और क्या practice हो सकता है?
Practice
Knowledge
empathy.
Hello.
Yeah.
If you want to listen carefully, so that you are able to reproduce this exactly same 4 or 5 sentences what the other person speaks. If you are able to, you need to reproduce. Then how carefully you listen. That time you will never have any downloading.
Yeah, you will have downloading, Srikanji, but you can pause the downloading.
But that time only I said. Before that and after that is something different.
Got it. Now I got it clearly. Got it. So मेरा एक downloading था कि I'm listening to people. And मेरा बहुत strong downloading था कि मैं सुनता हूँ. Now I got it. That is also downloading about myself. So what are the practice? Are you willing to create new practices for yourself? Yes, no?
Yes.
ताकि आज के आज curiosity की practice कर सके?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So 3 levels of practices you can do it. First is open mind. Open mind means you are listening for new data. Like most of the time we are listening for the old data. Like you are listening from the new data. Ki what in naya kya bata rahe? What's new in that? You are listening from the point of view ki I want to listen this person newly. That can be the voice of a curiosity. You are seeing through another person's eyes. Like somebody said, you are looking, whatever they are saying, you are looking at them and like, oh, why they are speaking like this? Oh, wow. What's the context of what they are saying? What they want to communicate, which they are not able to communicate with us. नया क्या है? As you said very well, Vinay. और पहले मुझे बहुत स्ट्रगल था सुरेशा with my spouse. अरे नया क्या हो तो रोज का पुराना ही बोलती है. खाना खा लो, नाश्ता कर लो, आज लेट क्यों हुए, ये हुए. मैं उसमें सोचने लगा अभी आज लेट क्यों हुए, इसमें नया क्या सुनूं मैं. It's the same dialogue. Now I got it. I can listen from new facts. Oh, she really care about me. You are actually listening from their perspective. So if you want to transform communication, you need to start to listen their perspective from their eyes, not from your view. मतलब रवि जी कोई नेगेटिव बात कर रहा है, वो नेगेटिव बात कर रहा है, ये मेरा डाउनलोडिंग है उसके बारे में. But he is actually speaking something. He want to communicate certain things. So first practice can be you are looking for the new data. Second is you are looking from their eyes. And then you are connecting to an emerging future. यार ये जो बात कर रहे हैं ना, इससे क्या फ्यूचर इमर्ज होते हुए दिखाई दे रहा है. ये रिलेशनशिप में मेरे और शिवानी के what future is going to emerge. Deepa, what communication, this communication, like what communication he want to create, what he want to say. So if you practice this, what do you think? What kind of listening you will have with the people? अभी आपके पूरी लिस्ट देखो एक बार. See the same list, Deepa, right now. Same list. And think from this view: open mind, open heart, and open will. So you want to see the new data, open heart. You want to see from their view. Open will, you are open for new emerging future. So see, अभी वो same list को देखो, downloading को pause करके. Now just see the list from this new view: open mind, open heart, and open will. Same people, same situation. Go through the list again and again, again and again. See from the world of curiosity right now. हर व्यक्ति को देखो from the world of curiosity. Downloading फिर से start हो सकता है. Pause the downloading. Again see from the curiosity. क्योंकि नाम सामने आते हैं, downloading भी start होने वाले. What did you notice?
वापस डाउनलोडिंग चालू होता है, बहुत थोड़ा सा परसेप्शन चेंज होता है, अदरवाइज वापस से डाउनलोडिंग चालू होती है.
Yeah, but best part, Sanjay, now you are aware about your downloading.
Yeah,
now you can do
getting
something
difference.
about it.
Yeah, difference between downloading and new perception.
Yeah, पहले आपको पता ही नहीं था, चल रहा था.
Yeah.
अभी कुछ सेकंड के लिए तो भी डाउनलोडिंग पॉज हुआ होगा.
Yes, yes.
Now tell me, आप कौन से सभी लोग चैट बॉक्स पे रिप्लाई करें. Everybody will reply. Let's see कि कितने लोग सुन रहे हैं. Everyone will reply with आपके लाइफ के कौन से 3 लोग हैं जिनके साथ अगले 4 घंटों में आप क्यूरियोसिटी से सुनोगे. With whom you will practice curiosity in next 4 hours. At least 3 people. Write down on the chat box. Very good, Sangeet. Very good, Pina. Good, Ritu. Satish, very good. Mita, oh, very good, Shiva. Thanks, Nilesh. Good, Sujata, Swati, Mamta, classic. Yes, Pravita, thank you. Very good, Upma, Sanjay. भाई सिर्फ अपने ही वाइफ के बारे में, दूसरों के वाइफ के बारे में भी डाउनलोडिंग सस्पेंड कर सकते हो. Kids, brother-in-law, wives, and very good, wives and daughter. Oh, very good, Siddharth. Yeah, Jaya, Lakshmi, my team name. Write down the team, like if you write down the name, that will be better. Very good. Very good, Kan. Mom and children. Okay, very good. Fast friends. Okay. Okay. Friends. Classic. Classic. Very good. Now, how many of you see that कि अभी आप इन लोगों के साथ कम्युनिकेशन कर सकते हो from the curiosity world? You can be actually create the common understanding with them. How many of you can see that right now? You can really create with new reality with them, like a being in communication with them. Versus you are in communication with your head, you're downloading. Got it. Got it. Very good. Very good. कुछ लोग hand raise करना भूल गए होंगे, तो just notice you might be downloading right now, क्योंकि आपने अपने downloading में hand raise किया होगा. Okay, got it. Classic. Right. Now, how many of you think कि अगर आप आज इतने लोगों के साथ curiosity practice करोगे, but ongoingly if you practice, what will happen? What will happen with this relationship? What will happen in your career?
Everything will improve.
It will
be
it
improved.
will build up a trust within relationship.
Right. Very good. Perspective change. Very good.
Improvement, harmonious relationships.
Right. Okay. Very
It
good.
will be a new beginning.
Yeah, it will be a new beginning. Okay. Very good.
It will unfold lot of things which perhaps I was not aware of.
Right.
Freedom.
Right.
New discovery. New discovery.
Yeah, new discovery. Every time when you are meeting that person, you are pausing the downloading, you are listening newly. So you will discover that person 1,000 way, millions way. If you discover same person millions way, how many of you think it's a miraculous? If you discover same person millions way, how many of you for it's a miracle for you? Like, oh, same person you will discover in a millions way. I heard from one leader. He said, "I'm acknowledging my wife from last 43 years. पर मेरा acknowledgement कभी repeat ही नहीं हुआ अभी तक." 43 years and no same acknowledgement. He's acknowledging every day from last 43 years. He was saying, I'm discovering my spouse new way every day. Every day morning, मैं pause करता हूँ अपने downloading को, ताकि मैं अपने spouse को नए से देख सकूं. That's why मुझे लगता है कि मेरे से अच्छी बीवी दुनिया को किसी मिली ही नहीं. It's like I'm blessed to be with her. By the way, मैं उनके खुद के वाइफ के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ. Amazing. और हम लोग यही परसेप्शन को ट्रांसफॉर्म करने का काम करते हैं लीडरशिप फ्रॉम द इमर्जिंग फ्यूचर में. अभी मैंने 1 घंटे में कुछ स्मॉल आपको दिया. व्हाट डू यू थिंक इफ यू गेट द फुल वर्जन ऑफ द टेक्नोलॉजी, व्हाट विल हैपन विथ यू? इफ यू गेट द 100% टेक्नोलॉजी, लाइक you will get the tools and principles of theory, like a complete. What do you think? What will happen with you if you will get the full version? Hello?
जीने में मजा आ जाएगा.
Yeah.
I think I'll find a new me inside me.
Yeah. And actually, how many of you are really willing to create new perception every day about people, about self, and about society? How many of you are willing to create that? Raise your hand completely so that I can see it. It's like a complete raise your hand, like a really you are interested in new perception, new view of life, new view about people. Then the result will be different. Then you are actually redesigning your perception. When actually you redesign your perception, you are redesigning your relationship. When you redesign your relationship, you are redesigning your results. You are redesigning your performance. I was sharing with my coach, Manojan Fadi, first time, whatever we are doing in the business, we are not measuring our business by numbers. We are measuring our business by how much contribution we are doing to the society. So, अभी वो business करना भी मजे करने लगने लग गए. तो टोटल परसेप्शन, मतलब मैंने जब 2 साल पहले जर्नी स्टार्ट किया था, माय परसेप्शन वाज कि बिजनेस इज ऑल अबाउट मनी, क्रिएटिंग द abundance of money. Now Suresha, my perception about business is we exist to contribute. We are designing our entire business to contribute, not to create some money only. और विनय, तब से बिजनेस करना इतना आसान हो गया और कोई स्ट्रगल ही नहीं है. हम लोग सिर्फ एबंडेंस की बातें करते थे क्योंकि एबंडेंस के बारे में हमारा बहुत सारा डाउनलोडिंग था. अभी एबंडेंस के बारे में डाउनलोडिंग नहीं है, अभी एक्सपीरियंशियल एबंडेंस क्रिएट हो रहा है. So leadership from the emerging future, it's a full-fledged workshop जिसमें से one part is communication. It's all about transforming self, your organization, and society. How many of you want to transform all the 3 aspects? Self, business, your career, and society. How many of you are willing to transform all the 3, not one? Why not one? एक ही क्यों ट्रांसफॉर्म नहीं करना चाहिए?
goes hand in hand, एक के साथ related है. Correlated.
Right. Why 3? Why not one?
They are correlated.
They are correlated.
One fails, then one pillar is not there. It will not work.
Yeah, like एक टेबल है, बिना उसको एक ही पैर है तो टेबल खड़ा नहीं हो सकता है. It's like हम लोग तीनों भी चीजें एक साथ ट्रांसफॉर्म करते हैं. ये वर्ल्ड में एक ही थ्योरी है जिसमें एक ही प्रोग्राम में तीनों भी पिलर को आप एक साथ ट्रांसफॉर्म करते हो. It's happening on 7th and 8th of January. 7 and 8 नहीं शायद, 8 and 9. 8 and 9 January. And how many of you are willing to commit for this transformation? You are willing to commit for this transformation. Raise your hand completely so that. Okay, good. Completely raise your hand so that I can see. Okay, good. So it's very good. Thank you very much. And what will happen if you transform all the 3 reality? Why you want to commit?
We are part of that. We are
Right.
part of that, whether you like it or not.
You are part of that, right? So अभी मैं आपके साथ लास्ट में हम लोग असाइनमेंट को रिक्रिएट करेंगे. उसके पहले एक छोटा सा अपॉर्चुनिटी है. This is happening on. So आप कैसे कर सकते हो, मतलब इसमें पार्टिसिपेट कैसे कर सकते हो? Would you like to know about it? कि आप कैसे पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हो इसके अंदर? Yes, no. Yes, no. By the way, आपको वापस कम्युनिकेशन में आना है. Don't go to the downloading. Be in communication, right? So now So I will tell you. So it's like a leadership from the emerging future. It's like it will happen on इसके key benefits है co-initiating, co-sensing, presencing, co-evolving and co-creating. Otto Scharmer theory. Leaders we have Ferdi, Manoj and Vivek, and like internationally recognized leaders. I think they are the best leader on the planet right now. Workshop fees is 500 GBP, discounted fees is 250 GBP. GBP Sanjay Rawat ji ये pound में payment होता है. So 1 pound is, I am not sure today का कितना rate है, but approximately 100 rupees या 105 rupees होता है. Normal tuition fee is 350 GBP. It's going on 8th and 9th Jan 2022. तो साल की शुरुआत बहुत बेहतरीन कर सकेंगे आप जीरो डाउनलोडिंग के साथ या डाउनलोडिंग पॉज करने के साथ. At the same time, 2 days followed by 6 session. So all the 6 session is designed for practicing the theory U principles. So the people who want to commit, so आपके लिए एक breakout room बनाया गया है. So Manoj, can you send us into breakout room? Manoj?
Just 1 minute, okay?
So Manoj will create a breakout room. This means the people who want to commit, here I want to transform all these 3, they will come to the breakout room, and rest of the people, they will be with the Manoj. Manoj is a lead faculty and they can interact with Manoj, like those who have questions and answer. The people who are clear that they want to commit, I will be with you in the breakout room, so that, yeah, so you have to join the unassigned breakout room. So
the registration room.
Yeah.
Can you see the link called registration room?
Registration room. हाँ नीचे है, एकदम last में, end में है.
Yeah, so they have to join that.
So you have to join the registration room in the एकदम down arrow करके आपको click करना है if you are really ready to commit. So I will be meet you in the registration room.
Okay,
Manoj, I will be go to the registration room right now.
Yes, thank you. Thanks for an extraordinary session. So we will continue, everybody here. So those of you who want to register, and you should join the registration room, and remaining people, you can stay here and we will have our, we will continue our conversation, all right? Okay, so what we will do is, if you have any questions from whatever conversation Nilesh did right now, this would be a good time to ask your questions. So before we go ahead into some activity or anything, let's first look at what questions you have. Any questions? Anybody?
Sir, please tell me the duration and what are the 8th or 9th. Will you repeat the?
Yeah, so it's a 2-day course followed by 6 sessions. So 2 दिन 8th and 9th January, 12 noon to 8 p.m. Okay, on Zoom, 12 से 8, और फिर शाम को हर हफ्ते शाम को एक सेशन होगा, ट्यूसडे या मंडे इवनिंग या ट्यूसडे इवनिंग.
Okay.
For 2.5 hours, 2.5 घंटे का.
Okay. What are the fee structure?
Fee structure is 25,000 rupees plus tax.
Okay. Who is who will lead?
It will be led by combination of Ferdi D'Souza, myself, and Vivek Chopra.
Right.
Two of us will be there out of this 3.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
English or Hindi, sir? Language?
It will be in English. If there are more participants who need Hindi, then we may look at a separate session batch for them at the same time.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
different batches at the same time.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Okay, somebody else? Any questions you have? This is a good time to ask.
Manoj, for those who have done, and let's say if their family members are doing, or if they want to do it second time, yeah, is there a any difference in
Yeah. So people who want to review the course, they can review at 50% of the fees.
Okay.
So that is to, instead of 25,000 plus tax, you're paying 12,500 plus tax. And if you had done this course more than 1 year back or more than 6 months back, it would be a good idea to review it, because a lot of things have changed and evolved in the structure now. And of course, you are evolved, and it would be a good idea to review it.
Thank you.
Suresha, you are already in the session right now.
Yes. Yeah.
But yes, for other people.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Anybody else? Any questions? Okay. So
for housewives, how can this this course will be helpful?
There are no housewives in the planet. There are human beings.
Yeah, that is true.
Right. So that I am a housewife itself is a downloading.
Yeah.
Right. Like somebody says I am an engineer. No, sorry, you are a human. Right. So I am a politician. No, sorry, you are a human being. Everything is, so our profession itself and our identity with our profession itself becomes a download.
Yeah, it's true.
And being a housewife is, I think, a very big download, which limits a lot of possibilities in life.
Mm-hmm.
Yes or no?
Yeah, yes.
Who's this? I am sorry, I can't see you right now on the screen.
Yeah, I'm Shivani.
Shivani, okay. You don't have your video on. Yeah, okay. Now you have, yeah, okay, great. Yeah. So
I used to work, and but I'm a professional. But right now, for the last 10 to 12 years, I'm not doing anything, professionally.
Yeah.
So
a lot of downloading has accumulated about yourself.
Yeah, very true. Yes, you're right.
Trying to get in touch with your higher self now, Shivani.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm trying to do that. Yes, I'm doing that now.
Oh.
Yeah.
So jump in and do the course and start the new journey. Okay.
Okay.
Don't live in this downloading called I am a housewife, or I'm too away from the career or anything. But
no, I'm not away from career. It's my choice, that I don't want to work for anybody. I can't work under somebody. This is very true.
Yeah, that's also downloading.
Mm-hmm. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yeah. Okay.
When you work under yourself also, it's a problem. Ask all the entrepreneurs. Then they complain, I have a stupid boss.
I know. Yeah. Yes.
So yeah, time to go off a lot of down.
Yeah.
Okay. We invite you whenever you're ready. We invite you for this new journey.
Actually, Manoj.
Yeah.
I would like to know what she wants to get out of the program if she did it.
Yeah. Sure. Shivani, that was Ferdy speaking.
Yeah, right? I heard.
So he's asking, what would you like to accomplish or get for yourself if you were to participate? What would you want?
Yeah, that is the one what I want to know, because right now I'm not doing anything. I have no idea what will I do. Obviously, yes, it's going to help me in my interpersonal skills and understanding, if the relationships will improve. But there's so many things, and I'll be doing some work or the other. It will help me there. But My son is struggling right now.
Right. So the question, yeah. So let him be with you. But everybody, this is a question you could ask yourself, and I'm asking you. What's your most important objective right now in life?
Excuse me.
And everybody, you
Hello,
can
Manoj sir.
on chat, right? You can respond on chat also. What's your most important objective?
Somebody else is calling for you, Manoj.
Yeah. I'm just trying to figure out who was that. Yeah. Somebody wanted to say something? Was that you, Ritu?
Yeah, Manoj sir, it was me. It was a fantastic session. Though I'm in a, I learned so much, but I would like to know, is this different? What you're telling for the registration for the next month, is it different from what I've been registered for?
No, you are in the same course. Don't worry. You have 6 more sessions to participate in that. Okay. But you
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. But you can support your guest if you're invited, right?
Great. So can I take a leave now? Is it over? Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. It's not
So
over.
is it available for review also, Manoj?
Yes. You can review at, as I mentioned, you can review at 50% fees.
Okay. Yeah,
Great.
I'll be in connection with you. Thank you so much.
Sure. Okay, Nilesh, are you back?
Yes.
Great. So you can thank and complete. Yeah.
Over
to you.
Yeah, thank you very much for listening to this conversation, because when you are aware about downloading, you can do certain, like now it's possible. You will listen people today. You will have some miracles in your life. And I'm sure most of you are really willing to participate in this entire workshop, like a leadership from the emerging future. So instead of dealing with downloading, I'm requesting you to call somebody who invited you, so that you being in communication with that person, versus speaking to our own self. Should I do it? Should I not do it? Like, don't speak with yourself, speak with the people, the real people. Be in communication with the real people, right? And thank you very much for your consideration. Thank you very much for your generosity, because the conversation was inquiry. So very few people would like to participate in inquiry, and you participated in that extraordinary inquiry. Thank you very much, because when you will listen from the curiosity, the people life will not be the same. You are going to transform your life as well as others' life. You will transform your perception. So we really appreciate your participation. Thank you very much. Thank you. And like Manoj, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Allowing me to create the session. Thank you, everybody, for the session.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Nilesh.
Thank you.
Thank you.